The Geography of Assam, a land of rivers and hills. Assam, a land of breathtaking beauty, mighty rivers, and rolling hills. Situated in the northeastern part of India, Assam is a state blessed with diverse geographical features that shape its culture, climate, and economy. Join us as we explore the geography of Assam. Assam is located in the northeastern region of India, covering an area of about 78,438 square kilometers. It shares its borders with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. To the east, it also shares an international border with Bhutan and Bangladesh. One of the most defining geographical features of Assam is the Brahmaputra River, one of the largest rivers in the world. Flowing from Tibet, it enters Assam and divides the state into two broad regions, the Brahmaputra Valley in the north and the Barak Valley in the south. The state is also home to the Assam Hills, including the Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao districts, which are rich in biodiversity. Assam experiences a humid subtropical climate with heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. The fertile alluvial soil and ample rainfall make it ideal for agriculture, especially for the world-famous Assam tea. Additionally, the state is rich in natural resources such as petroleum, coal, and limestone. Assam is home to diverse wildlife, with national parks like Kaziranga and Manas protecting endangered species like the one-horned rhinoceros, elephants, and tigers. The lush forests of Assam contribute to its rich biodiversity, making it one of the greenest states in India. Assam's geography has played a vital role in shaping its economy, culture, and way of life. From the mighty Brahmaputra to its rolling hills and fertile valleys, every element of Assam's geography adds to its unique charm. Whether it's the lush tea estates, the vibrant wildlife, or the scenic landscapes, Assam truly stands as one of India's most beautiful states. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you in the next one.